Assalamualaikum and good morning. We, Group 1 from BA112E. Today we will be presenting about costing method for restaurant Dulu Kita. This is our team members. My name is Ala Dawa binti Muhammad Abdul Nasir. My matrix number is 2025-868142.
Hi, my name is Nur Syafika Aini.
My name is Aisha Ardini binti Basuran and my matrix number is 2025462272.
So, my name is Anwar Amira Kemilia binti Zainawi. My ID student is 2025402002.
My name is Laila Suraya binti Muhammad Fuad. My matrix number is 2025-878942.
Business overview. For our assignment, we selected restaurant Dulu Kita since 1987. We chose the shop because their product costing method focus on capturing and allocating the cost of producing and selling various food and beverage and another item they offer. By collecting information on this shop, we can determine the extra cost for each food they sell. So for the example, we are meeting online with restaurant Dulu Kita manager. As you can see, we go also the physical restaurant Dulu Kita at Raub Pahang. Business overview. The owner names Pak Ramli, Tauqitan and Dato' Semi. Company's name Dulu Kita since 1987. Location at Raub Pahang. The type of business is Sendirian Berhad. Commencement date are 1987. Address nombor 127 Lorong Putra Raub 3, Pusat Perniagaan Putra 27,600 Raub Pahang. Contact number is 010-214-0268. Tagline, rasa kita, cerita kita.
Okay, this is our assignment protocol. For week 11, we will have team meeting and business selection. For week 12, we will have physical interview with business owner or creation of self-simulation business. And for week 12 and 13, analysis of interview output. For week 13, we will have draft assignment report, consultation with lecturer. And for the last of assignment protocol, we will presenting the costing method for Dulu Kita.
Now I will continue with explanation of product costing methodologies employed. So for Dulu Kita, a food and beverage business, product costing methodologies focus on identifying and allocating all costs involved in preparing and serving food and beverage. Product costing helps the business determine the cost of each menu item, set appropriate selling prices and measure profitability. Dulu Kita mainly use process costing because its menu items are prepared continuously using standard recipes and production procedures. Costs such as rice, chicken, vegetables and cooking oil, direct materials, chef and kitchen assistant salaries, direct labor, and overhead costs such as are accumulated and allocated to each menu item. By applying process costing, Dulu Kita can calculate the average production cost per serving while maintaining consistent food quality and efficient operations. Next, I will proceed with identification and breakdown of direct material costs. Direct material costs in Dulu Kita consists of the raw ingredients directly used in preparing food and beverage for customers. These materials include rice, chicken, meat, vegetables, eggs, and other ingredients required for each menu item. The cost of direct materials is calculated by multiplying the quantity of each ingredient used per serving by its unit purchase cost. Proper identification and recording of direct material costs help the business prepare accurate product costing, reduce unnecessary waste, and ensure that each item is priced appropriately to achieve the desired profit margin.
Next is the job cost card for nasi goreng ayam Korea. The direct material cost is 9,100, which include rice, chicken, Korean sauce, vegetables, eggs, cooking oil and seasonings. The direct labor cost is 3,400, while the direct expenses are 300 for food containers, disposable cutlery and takeaway bags. This gives a prime cost of Rm 12,800. The production overhead is 5,050, consisting of indirect materials, indirect labor, and indirect expenses such as rental, electricity, water, and gas. As a result, the production cost is Rm 17,830, and after adding the non-production cost of 800, the total cost is Rm 18,630. The selling price is 25,150.50 cents, giving the restaurant a profit of 6,520.50 cents. In conclusion, both products generate a positive profit. Mitarik Maharaja records a profit of Rm 6,807.50 cents, while Nasi Goreng Ayam Korea earns 6,520.50 cents. By using the job cost card, Dulu Kita restaurant can identify all production costs accurately, determine the suitable selling prices, and improve cost control and profitability. Next, for this slide, I will present the job cost card for Mitarik Maharaja. The total direct material cost is Rm 9,600, which consists of noodles, beef slices, vegetables, eggs, cooking oil, sauces, seasoning, and soup stock. For the direct labor cost is Rm 3,400, including the salary allocation for the chef and kitchen assistant. The direct expenses are Rm 400, mainly for disposable bowls, chopsticks, and takeaway bags. This gives a prime cost of Rm 13,400. Next, the production overhead is 5,250, which includes indirect materials such as cleaning supplies, gloves, and tissue. Indirect labor, including cashier and cleaner salaries, and indirect expenses like shop rental, electricity, water, gas, and equipment depreciation. Therefore, the production cost is Rm 18,650. After adding the non-production cost of Rm 800, the total cost becomes Rm 19,450. Finally, with a selling price of 2,257.50 cents, the restaurant earns a profit of 6,807.50 cents from Mitarik Maharaja.
Next, this is the picture of the product that we choose from Dulu Kita restaurant. We have two. Number one is Mitarik Maharaja, and the second one is Nasi Goreng Ayam Korea.
So now let's talk about the suggestion for the business on how they can further improve in managing the cost. First, they can monitoring expenses regularly. The business should record and review all expenses regularly to identify unnecessary spending. This helps them stay within budget and make better financial decisions. Other than that, they should purchase raw materials in bulk. This is because buying ingredients in bulk from reliable suppliers can reduce the cost per unit and allow the business to enjoy discount. However, they should only purchase quantities that can be used before expired. Lastly, they can strengthen inventory management by closely monitoring inventory levels and use an inventory tracking system to avoid overstocking or shortages. Applying the first in, first out FIFO method can also reduce food spoilage and minimize waste. To sum up, by implementing effective cost management strategies, the business can reduce unnecessary expenses, improve profitability, and strengthen its long-term financial performance. Careful planning and continuous cost monitoring will also help the business remain competitive while maintaining the quality of its products and services.
Next, this is the reflection individual. For me, this assignment helped me understand how costing methods are used in real life. I also improve my teamwork and communication skills by working with my group members and collecting information from the business. Overall, this assignment increased my understanding of cost accounting and gave me practical experience that will be used in the future.
Next, my reflection on individuals. This assignment helped me understand how product costing is used in an F&B business. I learned to identify the costs involved in preparing food and drinks, such as materials, labor, and overhead costs. It also improved my teamwork skills and gave me a better understanding of business cost management.
So for my reflection, to rule out this assignment on costing in the food business, I learned the importance of managing costs to ensure business profitability. It also improved my understanding of different business costs and enhanced my teamwork and analytical skills.
I'm Amira Kimelia. So my reflection for this assignment was a great opportunity to see the cost accounting concept in action within a real company. I sharpened my teamwork skill with my group and grow my communication skill in the arranging directly with the business owner, creating a connection for the future professional networking. The reciprocal knowledge and industry contact I gained from the assignment will be invaluable asset in my future personal life.
Hi, my name is Shafika Aini, and what I can learn from this assignment is this assignment gives me a clearer understanding of the importance of product costing in managing an F&B business. It helped me learn how different costs, including materials, labor, and overhead, contribute to the total cost of a product. Working on this assignment also enhanced my problem solving, teamwork, and communication skills, while providing valuable insight into business cost management.
Overall, from this assignment, we can see that the job cost card is an important tool for managing and controlling the cost food and beverage at Dulu Kita restaurants. It provides a clear breakdown of direct materials, direct labor, and overhead costs for each menu item, allowing the restaurant to determine the actual cost of production. This helps ensure that selling prices are set appropriately while maintaining profitability. Job cost is widely used in food businesses to monitor menu costs and support better pricing decisions. The use of job cost card also improves cost accuracy, budgeting, and financial planning. By recording production costs systematically, Dulu Kita restaurant can identify areas where expenses can be reduced, minimize waste, and use resources more efficiently. This enables restaurants to make informed decisions, improve operational performance, and increase profitability. Overall, implementing a job cost card strengthens the restaurant's financial management by providing reliable cost information for every food and beverage product. It supports better cost control, enhances business performance, and helps Dulu Kita restaurant remain competitive while delivering quality products and sustainable long-term growth. So this is the end of our group assignment presentation. Thank you.